Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Many of us have dreamed of designing and building our own home, office, garage, or getaway cabin. For nearly 40 years, Worldwide Steel Buildings has been taking the inspiration of their clients and manufacturing them into reality. Worldwide Steel Buildings designs, engineers, and manufactures steel building kits at their headquarters in Peculiar, Missouri, and ships direct to their customers around the world. Worldwide Steel Buildings has its own factory, certified by the American Welding Society, dedicated solely to building steel trusses and secondary framing, eliminating the middleman markup. Because they manufacture their own trusses from American-made steel, their metal building kits offer an unmatched level of customization tailored to the needs of their customers. All of their trusses are welded in precision jigs for accuracy, dipped in oxidized primer, and then closely inspected to ensure that they are the highest quality and carry a 50-year structural warranty. Steel trusses and secondary framing on 2-foot centers creates a buildings system with incredible strength. Every attachment point of the sheeting has a framing member behind it, eliminating the sheet metal to sheet metal connection that is a common cause of leaks in other designs. Their steel buildings stand above the rest when it comes to quality, design, durability, and long lifespan of maintenance-free service. Use their 3D building designer to create the custom steel building of your dreams. Start building on your dream and visit them at worldwidesteelbuildings.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.